Hello friends, hope you are doing well. Today I would like to take you through some of the key aspects of Bank of India Balance Advantage Fund. As we know, market volatility is something people like to stay away from. However, we are well aware that volatility cannot be eliminated but can be used as an opportunity. This can be done by dynamic asset allocation to generate a relatively better return in a risk-adjusted basis. You may be aware that equity and debt have high negative correlation, making them an excellent pair for dynamic asset allocation. A well-designed asset allocation strategy should be able to change equity allocation in response to changing market environment. The dynamic asset allocation works well if the investment strategy follows a proficient basis of asset allocation. Change in allocation is both effective and timely and ensure the cost of such change is low. Markets are influenced by various factors. Therefore, Bank of India Balance Advantage Fund follow a holistic approach towards investing, guided by a proprietary asset allocation model to form an asset allocation strategy. The model is designed around three spokes, namely market valuation, market sentiments, and market trends. Market valuation is usually used to describe how much a company or an index is worth on a relative basis over time. Aggregate index earning on a rolling basis coupled with prevailing market levels provide an insight into relative market valuation from a fundamental perspective. It can be expressed in the form of mathematical ratios like price earning ratios, price to book ratios, etc. Market sentiments refer to aggregate attitude and behavior of investors towards financial markets. In broader terms, quantitative screeners, volatility measures, and indicators from an open position in derivatives market may provide an important cue from a behavioral perspective at any point of time in a market. Market trend is a perceived tendency of financial market to move in a particular direction over time. This can be ascertained by various averages and other trend indicators. The weight of evidence from such indicators provide a useful technical perspective as input for our asset allocation model. The model determines the equity allocation between 30 to 80% of AUM. The allocation to unhedged equity is ascertained on a daily basis based on our market valuation, market sentiment, and market trend, which we call MVST allocation model. However, the allocation change determined by the model is carried out only if the change is indicated by MVST model for 5 successive business days. Hence, fund has no fixed calendar date for rebalancing. The fund only invests in large cap, which is the top 100 stocks by market capitalization, and over 80% of allocation is to Nifty 50 stock. A higher allocation to Nifty 50 stocks help in keeping portfolio liquid, which helps in an easy shift in the portfolio based on the MVST model. The equity allocation change is incorporated by hedging or unhedging the underlying Nifty 50 stocks by using Nifty futures. The fixed income allocation is very conservatively placed, and fund look to generate alpha mainly through accrual and duration roll down strategies. So how can Bank of India Balance Advantage Fund act as your companion during market volatility? First, it follows a dynamic asset allocation model based on critical market parameters, which helps deal with market volatility. It provides efficient and agile hedging for executing asset allocation changes, invest only in well-researched top 100 stock by market capitalization. With this, I conclude my presentation. Thank you and happy investing.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.